Safety Toolbox Talk number 377. No pressure gauge on CO₂ extinguishers? 1. CO₂ is stored as a liquefied gas in equilibrium. Inside a CO₂ extinguisher, carbon dioxide is stored in two phases, liquid and gas. These two phases are in dynamic equilibrium, meaning that, 1. The gas exerts pressure on the walls of the cylinder. 2. The pressure stays constant as long as there is any liquid CO₂ present. This pressure is determined only by the temperature, not by how much CO₂ remains. Result: a pressure gauge would always show the same reading, around 55 bar or 800 psi at room temperature, until nearly all the liquid is gone, making it useless for showing how much CO₂ is left. Two. Pressure doesn't drop gradually. In other types of fire extinguishers, like dry powder or foam, the pressure drops steadily as the contents are used. This makes a pressure gauge useful to monitor the status. However, in a CO₂ extinguisher, the pressure remains almost unchanged during use. Once all the liquid CO₂ is gone, the pressure drops suddenly, not gradually. Result: a gauge would show full right until the extinguisher is almost empty, then drop instantly, offering no early warning. Three. CO₂ content is measured by weight. Since the pressure does not reflect the content level, CO₂ extinguishers are checked using a weighing method. Each extinguisher is marked with its tare weight, empty weight. During inspections, the extinguisher is weighed and compared to its full weight. This method provides an accurate and reliable way to check how much CO₂ remains. Result: there is no need for a pressure gauge when weighing gives a better indication of content. Four. Safety and durability considerations. CO₂ extinguishers operate under very high pressure. Adding a pressure gauge increases the number of components that could potentially fail or leak. A faulty gauge could lead to dangerous pressure loss or misleading readings. Result: removing the gauge improves the extinguisher's reliability and safety. 5. Cost and design simplicity. Pressure gauges that can handle CO₂'s high pressure are more expensive. Omitting the gauge reduces manufacturing and maintenance costs. It also results in a simpler, more robust design with fewer parts to inspect or replace. Thank you.